Can you teach me?
Sir, yeah, if you want to, I'll teach you that.
Yes, I want to study. I want to learn.
Yes.
Do you sing? What do you do?
I learn in this class.
You learn English. Okay. Who teaches you?
Jay sir teaches.
Jazz sir teaches you. Fine. So does Jazz sir beat you?
No, Jay sir does not beat me.
How are you feeling right now?
Good.
Good. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Anjali.
Anjali. Why are you fearing?
No,
आप डर क्यों रही हैं?
I don't fearing.
I don't fearing कि I'm not fearing.
I'm not fearing.
Alright, I'm not fearing. What happened? Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Are you excited for this class?
Yes, sir, I'm excited this class.
Hi, Mister. What's your name?
My name is Ankit Yadav.
Ankit. So, Mr. Ankit, tell me, why do you come in Happiness Institute?
Sir, I come for learning English.
You come here for learning English. So, do you feel okay in happiness?
Yeah, I feel okay.
Oh, according to you, who speaks good English in your class?
Everyone speaks good in my class.
Once I was making video with Apeksha and Priya, and Apeksha was saying that you speak nice, right? Apeksha was saying that you speak
It would
nice.
be, I don't know.
Okay, you don't know. But okay, you were saying that everybody speaks good.
Yeah.
Okay, who is your best friend?
There is no my best friend.
Oh my
Only
God.
everyone is my friend.
You are not best friend. You are. Who is outside? Don't worry. What happened? Don't come. Go. See you tomorrow. All right. So, Mr. Ankit, tell me that. Why do you learn English?
I'm learning English for communicating to the people, to the connecting people.
Without English, can you not communicate with people?
No, I can communicate to the people, but by English, it's a supportive language. I can communicate with strangers, foreigners.
All right. I'll come again. What's your name?
My name is Anjali.
Anjali. Where are you from?
I come from Suran.
Do you fear in class?
No, I don't fear.
You don't fear. Do you have confidence?
Yes, I have confidence.
Can you beat me?
No, I cannot.
You cannot beat me. Beauty, can you beat me?
No, sir, I cannot beat you.
Who is she?
She is my friend,
She's your friend. What's her name?
Akansha.
How do you feel in my class when I teach?
So fantastic.
Fantastic. Okay, according to you, which is the best class in English speaking? Presentation, discussion, debate, or reading?
So debate.
Debate. Why do you like debate?
Because everybody speak and this time everybody get point.
Okay, that's why you are saying that debate class is good. Okay, do you debate weekly or daily?
Weekly.
Weekly. Okay. Hi, Akansha.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Okay, Akansha. First of all, tell me, where are you from?
I come from Dehdwar.
Dehedwar.
Yes.
How is Dehedwar?
Sir, Dehdwar is very beautiful village.
Beautiful village. I think Vishal sir is also from Dehedwar.
Yes, sir.
What does Vishal sir teach?
Vishal sir teach computer.
Teach or teaches
Teaches
computer?
computer.
Do you learn computer?
No, sir, I don't learn computer.
Do you come here alone or you come with your sister? How do you come? With your sister or alone?
No, sir, this time alone.
Okay. Does your sister come here?
Yes, sir, my sister come here.
Why do you come and why does your sister come?
Both are.
Hi, Mr. Satyam.
Hello, sir.
Satyam, just you were in that class.
Yes,
and
sir.
now you are in this class.
Yes, sir.
So how are you feeling in this class?
I'm feeling comfortable.
You are feeling comfortable.
Yes, sir.
Satyam, tell me, how is Happiness Institute?
Sir, it is very fantastic place where we can learn English and
Okay.
we can talk to each other in English language.
In English
That's why
language.
it is fantastic. place.
Satyam, I think you have taken examination of class 12.
Yes, sir. I have taken exam.
What do you think, what will be your percentage? 80%,
I think
90%, 70%?
80 plus %.
Okay. Can you get the, top rank in Azamgarh city?
No, sir. I can't take.
You cannot take.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. Do you have, belief system that you can, defeat anyone in education?
Yes, sir. I can defeat.
You can defeat.
Yes.
You can defeat. Okay. Do you know how to deliver a speech?
Yes, sir. I know how to deliver this speech.
The person is shooting video. Who is he?
He is Ronak, sir.
He is Ranak, sir.
Yes.
Does he talk with you?
Yes, sir. Sometimes he talked with me and
Okay. It's, I think, first day of Navratri.
yes.
So are you fast?
No, sir. I'm not fast.
You are not fast. You are
Yes,
slow.
my sister is fast.
She is fast and she
Yes,
is
sir.
keeping fast, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you celebrate every festival?
Yes, sir. I celebrate every
So
festival.
tell me, which festival is the best festival according to you? Holi, Deepavali,
I
Eid,
think-
Navratri, Dashehra. Which festival is the
I
best?
think Deepavali is the best festival
Why do you think such?
because in Deepavali everyone just blow the diya.
Diya and Bati.
Yes, that's
That's
why.
serial.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I
Okay,
like.
I'll come again.
Okay, sir.
Hi, champion.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm feeling good.
You are feeling good. I think you are feeling hot. Are you feeling hot?
No, I'm not feeling hot.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kurthua.
Kurthua.
Yes.
Is Akash sir your brother?
Yes, Akash is my brother.
Does he teach you at home?
Yeah, of course, Akash sir teaches me.
Akash sir teaches you.
Yes.
Why are you getting angry?
No, I'm not angry, sir.
Do you want to beat someone?
No, I can't beat someone.
You can't beat anyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you beat yourself?
No, I can't beat myself.
So tell me that when you came first time in Happiness Institute, how was your day and how was your class?
When I came here in Happiness Institute, so I'm not feeling good in Happiness Institute, and next day I'm feeling good.
Next day, first day you were not feeling good.
Yes, sir.
Next day you were feeling good. Okay. So before coming Happiness Institute, how was your English? आपकी English कैसी थी जब आप Happiness नहीं आए थे तो?
When I came here in Happiness Institute, my English very broken, and then
And now your English is good.
Yes.
Okay. Now what's your name?
Avinash.
Avinash. Avinash, tell me. Everybody says, that you give very hard speech always when there is presentation. Is it true?
Yes, is it true? Because of sir, I think when I give a speech, so I think when I finish my speech,
Then you become very excited.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So tell me, girls are good in English speaking, or boys are good in English speaking in your class?
according to me, everybody is speaking.
Everybody is good.
Yes.
अच्छा बचना चाहते हो कोई मारो ना दे. Do you dance like Mahakal?
No, sir, I do not dance Mahakal.
Are you a dancer?
No, sir, I'm not dancer.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I like dancing.
You like dancing, but
Yes,
you are
sir.
not a dancer.
Yes.
Are you singer?
No, sir, I'm not singer.
Is he your best friend?
Yes, he's my best friend.
But he was saying that nobody is my best friend in this class. Okay. Does he discuss with you?
Yes, he discussed.
Okay. Okay. You discuss with him.
Yes.
Fine. Okay. When do you come here in Happiness Institute?
I come here in 2 months.
Do you know that tomorrow Abdullah sir is coming? So will you come tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, how is Abdullah sir? Abdullah sir, how is Abdullah sir is your teacher, your director,
Sir.
founder, director of Happiness Institute? How is Abdullah sir?
Sir, director.
How is कैसे हैं अब्दुल्ला सर? अच्छे हैं, बढ़िया है,
Abdullah
खड़ूस
sir
हैं?
is good.
Abdullah sir is good. Okay. Do you watch his video? He makes video. He uploads video Facebook.
Yes, sir.
On Facebook, on YouTube. Do you watch his video?
Yes, sir, I watch video.
How does Abdullah sir teach?
Abdul sir, English.
But I know that Abdullah sir teaches English, but
Teaches
I'm
English.
asking that how does Abdullah sir कैसा पढ़ाते हैं?
Abdul sir teaches good.
Do you have English knowledge?
Yes, sir.
You have.
Yeah.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
You can speak.
Yeah.
Can you teach me? Can you teach me?
No, sir, I cannot teach.
Tell me. Can you teach me?
No, sir.
Do you have knowledge of English?
Yes, sir.
If you have knowledge, you can teach me. No problem.
Yeah.
What's problem? Okay. Do you teach anyone?
Yes, I can teach everyone.
All right. Anjali, have you seen Dhadkan movie?
Yes, sir, I don't.
There
see
is
Dhadkan.
an actress and her name is Anjali. Okay. Have you seen Dhadkan movie?
No, sir, I don't see more Dhadkan movie.
I have not seen. I don't का मतलब मैं नहीं देखती हूँ. I have not seen मतलब मैं देखी नहीं हूँ. Okay. Do you watch movie?
I don't watch movie.
Do you watch serial?
I don't watch serial.
Okay. Do you watch IPL?
No, I don't watch.
Are you इंसान?
Yes, I'm
You don't watch movie, you don't watch IPL. What do you do at home? Do you study only? क्या आप सिर्फ पढ़ाई करती हो?
Sometime I study, but
Yes.
I sing song.
Vishal, sit proper. How are you sitting?
I sing song.
Okay, beauty. Okay, do you watch movie?
Yes, I watch movie.
Who is your favorite actor and actress?
So my favorite actor is Ram Potni,
Ram Potni?
Yeah.
Who is she? Bhutni?
the South actor.
South actress?
Yeah,
South
actor.
Actor.
Yeah.
Ram Potni?
Yeah.
I thought someone is there.
And
Bhutni.
Chiranjeevi.
Chiranjeevi. Okay, actress?
Shraddha Kapoor.
Okay, what's your favorite color?
So black.
बहुत नॉर्मल मैं क्वेश्चन इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ. ओके, सो हाउ आर यू फीलिंग ओके इन दिस क्लास?
Yes, sir, I'm feeling good.
What's your opinion? What's your idea you want to give someone who wants to learn English? If someone wants to learn English, then what's your tips for him that he can learn English, he can speak English? If someone wants to learn English, for example, I want to learn English, but I don't know how to speak. I don't know how to learn. So what's your idea? What's your tips for me?
So you.
What should I do for learning English?
So first of all, I suggest you come Happiness Institute and.
Okay, come Happiness.
Yeah, you join.
Okay, yes.
You come Happiness Institute and you take admission and then you learn English and you learn vocabs and you practice daily.
Okay.
And you debate and get speech.
Okay, fine. She is saying that if you want to learn English, then you should practice daily and you should cover vocabularies and you should participate in debates, presentation, discussion. There are so many ways to improve the English. Mr. Ankit,
Yes, sir.
just you all were saying in that class that you face vocabularies problem. Do you have vocabularies problem?
Yeah, I have a vocabulary problem.
Okay, so can you improve it?
Yeah, I can improve it, and I'm improving it.
You are improving it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me that she said if somebody wants to learn English, he should practice daily. So what's your tips for those who all want to learn English, who all want to understand English? Do you have many tips for newcomers, new beginners and learners?
Yes, sir. Sir, firstly, if anyone wants to learn English, firstly they should learn vocabs, and they must speak. Because
They must
English,
speak.
yeah, because English comes by speaking. If you are learning every time, then you can't speak. Because
Yeah.
English comes by speaking.
Speaking.
Yes,
okay.
sir. Whatever you know, just speak. You know,
Okay.
broken English.
Right or wrong, you speak broken
Yeah.
English, good English, correct
Yeah.
English, incorrect English.
By mistake, everyone understand.
Yes.
Firstly,
When you make mistakes, you
Yeah.
understand.
Yeah, you can analyze yourself. How am I? What is the mistake of myself?
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now one more question to you, Mr. How is Happiness Institute?
I think Happiness Institute good because of if you learn here.
Tell me something special, the best quality of happiness that you love it.
I think, sir, if you learn in Happiness Institute,
No, I'm asking that the best quality of Happiness Institute you love more, you like more.
sir, I think
PD class.
Yes, PD
GD
class.
Okay. Satyam,
Yes, sir.
what about your class? Your class is running fine nowadays or not?
Sir, it's running very fine.
Okay.
Yes.
What are you learning nowadays? English speaking or personality or something else?
Sir,
What are you
it's a
learning?
personality development
Personality.
nowadays.
So are you improving your personality?
Yes, sir, I am improving in my
Are you
personality
champion?
development. Yes, sir, I am a champion.
Are you mad?
No, sir, I am not a mad person.
In your class, who is the best speaker? You, Ankit, or everyone is best speaker?
Everyone just speak very nice.
Very nice.
Yes.
Okay, so you are improving yourself.
Yes, sir, I am
Many
improving.
students are absent today. Should
Yes,
they
sir.
be absent or they should be present daily?
They should be present daily and they come daily.
They come daily. Only
Yes.
today they are absent.
Because today is Navratri first day.
First day of Navratri, then that's why, okay.